to show you an overview of SwipeSimple Register's item modifier feature. This feature enables merchants to make modifications to items when adding them to the cart during a sale. In order to access the item modifiers feature, the company will need to be configured with the SwipeSimple Register software package. For help with enabling SwipeSimple Register, reach out to your account manager. Let's start by building the item catalog and creating modifier groups for a pizza and a beer flight on the SwipeSimple dashboard. After logging into SwipeSimple.com, click on Item Catalog, then click on Modifier Groups. Click on Add New Modifier Group. For Maria's Market, we're going to create a two-level modifier for the pizza. The first will be for the pizza size, and the second will be for pizza toppings. For pizza size, let's add in small, medium, or large. At the time of the sale, we want to ensure that the customer chooses only one size for the pizza, so we'll set a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 1. Make sure to click the checkbox for prompt when adding to a sale. For now, we will skip assigning this modifier group to an item. We will assign the modifier later on when we create the items. Next, click Add New Modifier Group. After, you can also create another modifier group. You have the flexibility to arrange these modifiers in any order that you like, whether it's in alphabetical order or arranging items by price at the top. You can also set a minimum or maximum requirement for your modifier. For this example, we'll set a minimum of none and a maximum of 5 toppings they can add to their pizza. Select the checkbox for your prompt when adding to a sale, then click Add New Modifier Group. Next up, let's create a modifier group for a beer flight. The customer will need to select which 3 beers they want before completing the order, so set a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 3. Now that we've built out the modifier groups, let's create the items for the pizza and the beer flight. From the dashboard, click on Item Catalog, then click on Add New Item, and enter in the information for the item. For the base price, I'm going to set this item to $10. You have the ability to add in the SKU or the category to this item. Let's assign the pizza sizes and pizza toppings modifier group to this pizza. For this item, we're going to assign the tax rate as New York City so that it gets automatically added to the item at the time of the sale. Next, click Add New Item. Finally, let's add a beer flight. For this item, the base price will be $15, and we can assign it to the beverages category. Under the Modifier Groups section, we can assign this item to the beer flight types that we created earlier. Lastly, with SwipeSimple Register software, you have the ability to assign multiple tax rates, so we'll add the New York City and alcohol tax rates to this item. Then click Add New Item. Once this is done, you can make bulk edits and add multiple items to certain modifier groups. Select the checkbox on the left-hand side of the item, then click Edit 3 items at the top. From this screen, you can apply changes to all the items that have been selected. For these 3 items, let's assign them to the modifier group Drink Sizes, and then click Apply. For merchants using an iPad, Android tablet, or a Pack Series 8, you can add these items to your favorites page to make it easy for you to locate an item from the item catalog and build out the sale. You can do this by clicking on Item Catalog, then clicking on Favorites. From this page, you can add an item to this page by clicking Add Favorite Item and selecting the item from the catalog, clicking Add Favorite, and then Save Changes. This layout here is exactly how it's going to appear when you log into SwipeSimple from your iPad, tablet, or Pack Series 8 device. If you'd like to see how to build out a sale using item modifiers and item level taxes in action, check out our SwipeSimple Register overview video. That's it. Thanks for watching the overview of how to add item modifiers on SwipeSimple.